just has been waiting for some time and rearranging to keep her mind on something besides a lack of people coming. You pull up in hesitation. Is this the right location? You can hear some music play